during the par 3 contest on Wednesday, the 28-year-old suffered a horrible injury in celebration of a hole-in-one, apparently dislocating his ankle while running and jumping to the green. Finau seemed to put him back in his place and finished his tour of the field, appeasing the reactions that he could not compete in the tournament. Unfortunately, those fears were confirmed by Todd Lewis, who reports that Finau dislocated his left ankle during the fall. While the X-rays were negative, Finau prepares for an MRI on Thursday morning. According to Lewis, if the results are positive and the swelling is under control, Finau will try to play. It's a hard blow for Finau, who is enjoying a breakup campaign. He directs the tour in a driving distance of 321 yards and enters the Masters ranked 8th in the FedEx Cup thanks to 2 second places this season. Fortunately for Finau, he will not be relatively pressured by time, as he is ranked to exit the first hole at 12:43 p.m.